So what we did is we got a pie tin, filled it with sand, and now we got a mixture of four tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So now we're gonna first douse it with lighter fluid, right? Just how much you want.
All in the middle?
Make sure it's
Is that good?
a little more.
Okay, it's starting to go on the floor.
All around. All around.
Oh, I thought you just said middle.
Light. No, on the other side. There you go. Now we pour the stuff, this mixture in the middle.
And do you want the...
Okay. So now what you're gonna do? You can do, but just around it. Hold on. Where's the phone? Alright, light it.
Just around?
Yeah, just around. Alright, leave. Now what you're gonna see is it's gonna turn black. Here, stand over here. See how the mixture is turning black on the outside? Now it's gonna start to bubble, and that's how the snake is gonna come out. But this is supposed to take a rather long time. It's gonna be 20 minutes until, you know, it's gonna be completely out, and chemical release. So
9, 2, 3, 5, 2, 5. 9, 2, 3, 5, 2, 5. They were set my password after this.
Thank you.
So, the carbon sugar snake is a product of 3 chemical reactions that are all dependent on heat. The first of these reactions occurs when sugar combusts in the presence of oxygen. This produces carbon dioxide, gas and water vapor, also a gas, which pushes more of the sugar and baking soda mixture upwards. Some of this additional sugar heats up but doesn't have access to any oxygen, so instead of burning, it undergoes thermal decomposition, producing solid carbon and more water vapor. This solid carbon now gives the snake some shape, and also gives the snake its black color. Lastly, the baking soda also decomposes in the heat, producing solid sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide, gas, and water vapor. Altogether, these 3 reactions produce both solid components of the snake, carbon and sodium carbonate, and hot gases, CO2 and water vapor, that expand and inflate the snake up and out of the sand bowl. The sand in this experiment doesn't chemically react with anything in the growing snake. Instead, it evenly distributes the heat from the burning lighter fluid to the sugar and the baking soda, ensuring a slow, steady burn and the growth of a long carbon sugar snake. So it's already starting to, you know, come on.
some white left. We also have a bucket of water for safety.
It's good right here. So I guess we didn't expect to see this whole thing come off, and it's actually it's not that hot, but it's really easy to crumble. It's like
It's like ash.
yeah, it's like ash, but it's not, it's not all super tough. It's just like yeah, like ash basically. But yeah, it's been around 10 minutes, 11 minutes from when we started the thing, and it's been pretty it's gotten pretty big from when it's been just a little bit of sugar and baking soda. So yeah. So I guess Julian was poking at it, and turns out that we can actually poke a hole in the early, as it's barely starting to form. So I guess it hardens as it gets, as it goes throughout as it reacts with the air. And on the inside, you can see it's hollow. It kind of smells like burnt marshmallows. But yeah, some of it
You see
crumbled.
the baking soda still inside?
Is there? Oh snap! There is.
Oh, wait a second. Look, it forms back up once you push down on it. Look, see?
Oh wow! I don't know if the camera can see.
See what?
Look, right there. See where I pushed it?
Oh, that's cool.
As soon as you push on it, it comes back up.
Yo, that's actually cool.
Oh.
Don't try to grab the fire. Oh, I
that's
actually get
crazy.
some of it on the stick.
What if it started growing slowly?
So that's the first,
That's actually cool.
the first part of the.
Don't grab it, don't grab it.
Ow, that's hot.
It's really hot.
A little bit. So I guess we took off the outer part right here because it stopped growing, and
It just keeps on going.
yeah, I guess we put a little more.
What happens if you take a whole layer off of it?
Oh, I think it's literally a burnt
Whoa.
marshmallow.
It looks like burnt marshmallow.
Yeah.
For sure.
I think when you took off all those layers, it went faster. It's going faster. You can notice it more.
Yeah, you take a layer off and it's just growing back.
Look at the color on it. It's like right here. It's like bluish.
Oh wow.
Yeah, right there. You could kind of see it better.
Yeah, look at that.
This looks like burnt metal. Like you're melting it.
We should have had a trash can.
Yeah, we should have.
Oh, are you still recording? It's cool how it hardens up fast. There's still like a little flame in the inside of that.
Wow, it is still growing.
That hurt.
What happened?
Look directly at it.
Oh.
No, some of the things like started going.
Safety first.
Are we putting it out?
So it's starting to go out, and we're gonna dispense the flame real quick. So Jacob, you wanna do that? Man, it's still on fire even though.
There you go.
Oh, that was easy.
I was gonna.
So this is the result. This is the first connected piece. I put the sugar down in kind of a thin way, and it was like long, so it kind of just came out kind of Yeah, just like that. And it seems to be hollow in some parts, kind of like bread. Looks like burnt bread, burnt toast. And it's really soft, like it's really, you know, you can crush it easy. And it's kind of moldable in a way. But yeah, on some parts you can see blue a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a little bit of like a blue in there. Blue spots like right there. Right there. I'm not sure why it's blue either.